Tax Time with Martin. In this video, I answer the questions which are most frequently asked by my clients, by my course participants, and also on social media. Until now, individuals liable to withholding tax who earned less than 120,000 gross salary could submit a so-called tariff correction to the tax office for additional deductions. From 2021 on, due to the withholding tax reform, it will no longer be possible to submit such a tariff correction. Instead, from 2021 tax period onwards, a full tax return must be submitted in the retrospective tax assessment procedure if you wish to claim additional expenses. But be aware, there are a few things to bear in mind when opting for a voluntary tax return. An application for a voluntary tax return must be submitted by 31st of March of the following year. Second, if you have opted for a tax return filing, this also applies to future years. Once filing a voluntary tax return, it becomes mandatory for the subsequent years. It cannot be decided from year to year. Third, for married couples or couples in a registered partnership, a joint tax return is carried out, and both spouses must therefore sign an application for a voluntary tax return. Fourth, not only worldwide income but also worldwide assets must be declared in the tax return. And fifth, individuals who are resident abroad may only file a tax return if at least 90% of their worldwide gross income is subject to tax in Switzerland. In the case of married couples or couples in a registered partnership, the income of both spouses must be taken into account for the calculation. Depending on your personal circumstances, it is therefore possible that a voluntary tax return may result in an additional tax burden despite additional deductions. Before you decide to apply for a voluntary tax filing, it is advisable to check whether such a filing is beneficial for you. The current year as well as the following years must be included and considered in your decision. In case you liked that video, I will be happy if you subscribe to my channel Tax Time with Martin and also follow me on social media.